Hi, this is Yusuf Azizullah, and thanks for purchasing my course. This course is how to ESG in the boardroom. Shareholders and institutional investors are putting pressure on board directors and CEOs to make climate action disclosures. And climate action is ESG factors, environmental, social, and governance factors on diversity and on inclusion and on credit crunch. And these factors are really puzzling the board of directors because there are more than 34 regulatory bodies out there. And the United States just approved climate disclosures mandatory. European Union has already done that. And where do you start? What do you do? Well, artificial intelligence, and this course will focus from centers of excellence from across the company and from across the planet. We'll look at developed markets, international markets, emerging markets from US, Canada, UK, Australia, Singapore. We'll look at the best practices in other developing emerging markets, how they're implementing from a sustainability point of view, the disclosures which really are attracting institutional investors not to go against and vote against on proxies. We'll look at with the COVID crunch and with the Russian invasion of Ukraine, how this is all impacting you, that you need to be agile. We'll take a look at in module 1 from a board of directors governance. Module 2, we'll look at why ESG matters. That I've explained some factors. We'll take a deep dive in artificial intelligence from HR, finance, and other factors. Marketing, how they incorporate with artificial intelligence, your supply chains, your procurement, how to automate it, and how to look at things to make your reporting and disclosures on a sustainable journey. Then carbon markets, strategy point of view. Should you go carbon strategy, carbon markets, carbon credits? Should you take some strategy implementation steps to really transform your company, divest some locations, get out of them, or some product and services? We'll look at that from a strategy perspective. Then I'll give you also a chairman to-do list and how to avoid getting sued for greenwashing. Because there's a lot of companies that are doing false claims to attract institutional investors and be in the limelight. And then I'll give you some next steps how to really continue your journey from a strategy perspective. Thanks, and let's get started.